Yo, what's up, friends? It's Rowan from Optimize FX. I've got an update on the three Amigos for you. I've got some bad news. So, as you can see, the balance is 0.81 AUD on Kingle. And also you can see that there was some huge moves in the market. Being Friday, it's NFP day, but on London Open, USD just dumped, and Euro got strong. So yeah, you get that. But what I'm going to do actually is I have my other computer here open, and I'm actually going to add some more funds because I think I made a mistake at first with Kingle. I had lot size at 0.03. It is 3 pairs, and I think that was just too much. So what I'm going to do is give it 1,000 right now. Bingo. Now let's see how these three go with 1,000. So my bad, made a mistake, but you get that. Another So we've got Orion EA, which has also blown its account. I think it got up to like 1,300, and it lost it really quick. And that's because I just this EA is actually new to me. I've only found it within the last couple of days. I haven't actually done any live demo testing myself. I haven't really looked it up too much. But what happened is, we can, there's heaps of buy limits here. Yes. So what I'm going to do with this one, I've read that it is quite a volatile EA. It opens heaps of orders really quickly, and that's I think that's what's happened here. There were some big moves. That he does trade the 5-minute time frame, and it just couldn't. It didn't have enough equity essentially to run 4 pairs with the settings I gave it. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to start it with 500, but only 1 pair. And I'm going to change, there's like a Martin setting. I'm going to change that to, wow, there's a lot of buy limits here. I'll just keep clicking. So I'm going to close all these. I'm going to bring it back to 1 pair. I'm actually view toolbars standard. I don't know why I got rid of it, but we'll turn auto trading off. And I think I was reading on a forum somewhere that one of the better pairs for this would have been GU. So pound USD. But we'll see. Like there's a lot of people actually believe in that this is actually a really good EA. I've read someone's that said this is out of the years of testing EAs that they have done, this is in their probably top 5. But you just got to find the right settings and not be greedy. And I actually I actually was a little bit greedy, and I ran this on a live account. And yeah, I'm just going to be real and honest. I had 2 accounts. At the start, I only had 2 pairs going, and then on the other account, I had 2 pairs going. 5-minute time frame. It made some decent money. Like I think it did what this did, like $800 in 2 days. And I'm like, wow, this is amazing. And then all of a sudden, EU started dumping, and it was placing buy orders like left, right, and center. And this afternoon, when the London session opened, which is here in Australia, it's 5 o'clock, EU just dumped. It just went downtown, and the EA just kept opening buy orders as it was going down. This with two other pairs that I had on the account at the same time. So EU was the worst. I think at the start it had already had like a drawdown of like $200, and I think the account balance at the time was like $700. So what I probably should have done was use the 30% rule and be like, yep, okay, and well, what I should have done is actually look at the chart and look at the 4-hour or the daily and see where the trend is. So I looked at the 4-hour and the daily as this was happening, and the trend was down. And this robot here was placing buy orders as it was going down. So you can already see what's going to happen here. It's going to blow the account, and that's exactly what happened. So I lost about $700 out of that one. I learned a big lesson, and that is not to place a robot on a live account without doing some thorough testing. And I mean thorough testing like a month. All different settings, run it live for at least 4 weeks, see how it travels, know its strengths and weaknesses, and then, only then, you should place it using real money. That's just my advice if you're going to use any robot. But yeah, so what I'm going to do with this one is I'll keep doing a little bit more reading. I'll choose a pair, and I'm going to have a look at some settings and probably start it with about $500, and we'll see how we go there. So where is it? 4 pairs. Let's put 5. Can I put 500 in? Yes, I can. Okay, bingo. So I'll just put 500 in. This is a demo account, of course. Anyway, I've just put 500 in. It's not trading. I'll look at some settings. Apparently you can change a few settings that make it more not open so many orders and not get caught in a big trend down. So that's that one. So I'll give you an update on that maybe tomorrow morning. We'll see how it goes overnight, or I'll just make a video next week. And Moneypile's still solid. Balance at 988. So I believe, yeah, it's lost a little bit of money. I think last time I had a look at it, it was at 996. So I don't know where it lost a little bit of money, but this is the most drawdown I've seen it have, and that's like -71. So, but still, it's pretty solid. Like it did place buy orders on the downtrend. I can see here on GU, if we bring the chart over. So it placed a buy, and then it's just gone down, 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 down. It's gone downtown, and it's only placing, like, you know, the width between the orders is quite wide. So I'll see how it goes. Moneypile, I believe it's obviously slower at generating profit, but it can handle big moves. So that's a good thing. So we'll see how this goes over the next week or two, and we'll go from there. And I've also got, just as a bonus, I got this the Orion Scalper going on a demo cent account. Yes, demo cent account. So I started with 500 USD, which is 50,000 cents, and it's currently made almost $10, and it's in $14 in drawdown. So, but I only started this like hours ago, and I believe I've got the setting at 0.2 of a lot size. So for a cent account, I think that's pretty small. I don't have much knowledge about cent accounts. I haven't used them too much, but I'm only, you learn as you do. So I might have a look at these settings here and see if I can get even on a cent account to get it a bit more stable. But these are all on the 15-minute time frame. So I might do another one and do the 5-minute time frame and have a look at some other settings. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll give you an update either tomorrow or Monday afternoon after the Monday Open. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.